June 17. Tama ba date ko? I am on my way to the office for a shoot. So, mag-shoot kami for Lana and MINK. Models are coming over. We are testing out our new camera equipment and the studio background. So, I'm really excited for today. We have supposedly 4 models, pero 3 na lang ngayon. And I'm just going in today to help with the setup, and I'll be overseeing everything today. Hi ka, say hi. Model number 2. Uy. Model number 2 na kami. Nakalimutan ko mag-vlog kanina. Ang galing ko talaga.
Chat nyo kung may...
Good luck!
Parang magiging makulit na, hindi ko lang paano yung moderate yun.
This is how we Jollibee with the new normal.
Grabe new normal.
Mama, Miko, Louie, tapos dito si Papa. Good morning, beautiful human. I am on my way to the office today to prepare for a shoot. We'll be setting up the studio, and yeah, kapag talaga may shoot, laging magkakataon na may pimple ako. So I have one here and here and here. Although hindi naman ako yung model bukas, so that's fine. But it happens all the time. And I just got this transition glasses finally from Sonny's. Magkakasama kami ni mama kumuha. I am loving it because it's so lightweight. Manipis lang siya. And it's transition already. Kasi it's also one of my concerns. Kapag nagdadrive ako na ang init, silaw na silaw ang lola mo. So, yeah, I'm quite happy with it. See you later. Second shoot of the month. Iagot ang model namin today. These are the pegs. This is how we did social distancing. Hello, ang layo. LDR. Hello everyone, good evening. Just checking in today because honestly, I am procrastinating because tomorrow I should be able to submit my graduation speech because I will be delivering a graduation speech on Saturday for my alma mater, SISFU, South Foreign University. And right now, honestly, I'm really blank. I don't know, I am just checking my journal, kung ano bang mga pinagsusulat ko doon. And honestly, malapit na ako magpanic. Dahil wala pa akong nasusulat. All the best to me. It's 9:20 p.m. Today is such a long day. In the morning, I went, parang nag-yoga ako via Zoom. It was such a fun class, and we did a couple of meetings in the office today with a creative team, with purchasing, and with the fulfillment team, which is super duper fun. But as an as a self-confessed introvert, I would say, whenever I have these meetings, at the end of the day, wala na talaga akong energy. So, wish me luck. I should stop procrastinating. So, hopefully, matapos natin siya tonight. Plus, I would also have to answer your questions tomorrow on Camp Confidence because Tuesday night pala today. And tomorrow, 10 a.m. Wednesday, I will be shooting Camp Confidence with Madam Ayin. So, yeah, I'm also so excited about that. So, brain cells, please work. Yun lang ang aking update for today. I will see you again tomorrow. I hope I can vlog. Okay, bye-bye! So far, meron naman ako mga nasulat. I still have to refine those and put it in paragraphs. So, wish me luck! Hello, madam. Good morning. 15 minutes to go before I hop in a Zoom call for the commencement speech for Sis-Fu. I am an alumni and I am so happy to be back and hopefully inspire graduates of 2020. I will also be filming this, which I will post on a separate video. Wish me luck. I hope I make it. I hope I nail it. So, I am really, really grateful though for the opportunity Southville has given me to speak in front of these kids. And, yeah, wish me luck. Ayun lang. Bye-bye. I am breaking out talaga nga naman, di ba? Kapag may importanteng lakad sa pipimples. But it's okay. Sorry, skin. Ooh, that was quick. Nagbakal ako ng konti. Para mga twice ata. But it was fun. I cannot even imagine that I just did a commencement exercise or a speech. And I would ever be a keynote speaker in my life. But here I am. Here we are. Small wins. I hope you're having